Here we have a European style van with the flat sides. The problem with this one is there was some damage to the top area there, a bit of a gouge along the side. What we're doing now is preparing the van to glue another sheet over the top of the damaged sheet. The array of sticks that Perry is preparing, he's put up there to enable the new panel to be lifted up and placed in position without actually touching before it sticks. So the idea is he'll get the new panel, slide that up, pull all the sticks out, and just hopefully just drop it into place without any problems. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, here Perry is applying the adhesive to the new sheet. There we have it. They're just about ready to take the sticks out. As we speak, sticks are coming out, sheets in place, not too many ripples. No doubt about these guys, they plan it out and they do it well. Okay, here's Perry again. He's now cut the sheet back to the shape and he's just finishing off all the trims, the cover strips. Got the silicone gun out to make sure that everything's waterproof, and it's coming up an absolute treat. You'd never know that this van had been damaged.